Welcome to KaziSilo. In this drawing tutorial, you will see how to draw an umbrella with letter A and J. So we have done. This is an umbrella KaziSilo.